Alright, what's going on, everyone? Today's video is a little bit different. It's actually more of a behind the scenes phone meeting, albeit it's one-sided because you only hear me most of the time. But what you're going to hear from it is me sharing my YouTube strategy and how I approach it and what you should consider prior to starting a second channel, and a whole bunch of other insight and opportunities that you can get from building a personal brand. So I highly recommend you guys check it out, and if it's not something you're interested in, check out the rest of the footage that I share every day. So enjoy today's video. Just from what I'm hearing, the core of it sounds like you're trying to they're learning that you're instilling them the principles of having an entrepreneurial mindset either way, but that you're also providing the skills to become. I think that's what your course is going to be teaching them, right? It's more than just not just helping with skills. You're teaching them more than that. Yeah, I think you got something good, honest feedback. I think you're just overthinking it, because I think either way it's going to be a great product what you put out there. Yeah, I have three channels, so but I just changed the intro, the title card, and the ending. I changed the branding on it. One's Emeroy TV, which has all the content, and then the niche channels, like how to break dance for beginners, that has all my breakdance tutorials or b-boy tutorials. All the social media marketing, Facebook marketing tutorials are on the Vision Paradox channel, and that's not just so it's not just me contributing to that, it's the team contributing to that. So like my thing is like contributions on the social media marketing end, and the other team will be like, because I went through the whole thing about I should start 2 channels, is like before I start a channel, like is the audience that's going to receive it on the other end completely different? Yeah, so which is why like for Emeroy TV I went on the intro, it says Monday, Wednesday, like right off the bat it says here are the days that are all different. It's like the primary channel for everything else, for everything to be there. Wednesday is this, Thursday is this, Friday is this, and then but then I'm also trying to leverage the fact that there's also people who just want my breaking, people who just want social media stuff. So I'm doing that. But I think the thing is, like, well, for me, managing 2 channels, it can be a handful. If I can somehow link each topic to each other, or find an excuse to keep it on one channel, I would do that. I'm kind of taking a page from that. Like, okay, if I'm consistently uploading videos to YouTube every day, then I'll get for sure subscriber results. The biggest thing on YouTube is your watch time, or the watch session. So each gives me an opportunity to make each video better, so that people can stay longer watching my stuff. So it's instead of like once in a while and then go do another project once in a while, it's more like it's really getting the reps in to make the content I'm putting together to build the channel, not just the channel better, but also the whole personal brand thing even better. Because even though I'm making pretty decent money with Vision Paradox, I would still like, if say Vision Paradox falls apart, then I have nothing. But if I have a decent personal brand, or and I'm making some money on YouTube and Udemy, what do you call it? I wouldn't have to worry about clients coming in. I would just ideally just keep making YouTube videos. Yeah, because I'm using YouTube as my pillar content. Like, here's the main shit, and then I'm making micro content where I promote it on Instagram or Facebook so they can go back to YouTube. And then YouTube would is just another part of the funnel to get people onto, if they're on the dance portion, back to how to break dance. Here I had, because of my YouTube videos, this one company reached out to me to do fitness hip hop tutorials for them, and they paid me like $2,000 for like 2 days of filming. Yeah, I want people to be able to see like either the Vision Paradox channel or my breaking channel or just my personal brand channel. Like when they see me or they see that stuff, they're like, oh damn, I want to work with him.